Good morning, students. So again, today I am Ramkumar Prasad, your drawing teacher, and now today I have been here to show you some activities related to Mother's Day. So do you know when Mother's Day is celebrated? So Mother's Day is celebrated every year on the second Sunday of May. Second Sunday of May, it is celebrated every year throughout the world, and to it is celebrated to show our respect and gratitude towards our mother. So here we will make one activity. Through activity we will make one craft to show our gratitude towards the mother does very so many things for us. Cooking, feeding, everything is done by mother, and we all love our mother. So we will also make something, some sash like this thing. So you might have seen that Mr. World, Mr. India are wearing, head boy, head girl are wearing that type of things from their shoulder to the down part. Now I will show you one activity related to that, and I will show you what all things I have taken. So you just see what all things I have taken. I have taken, as instructed before itself, 3 feet long, that is 35 to 36 inch long paper, and the width of this paper is 5 inch by 36 inch I have taken. And you can see the length. And this I have taken Fevicol also. I have taken some decorative material. For that I have taken glitter paper. You can see box of color also. Okay, so let's do what I am telling you to do. So first, you see I have taken 2 papers of that size. Both the size are same, 7, that is. And you can see here water for coloring. Your color box is there, glitter paper is there. Okay, so we will decorate the things with this help of the glitter paper. Okay, and what more things you can see what I have. Just see one small piece of chart paper also, and 2 circles cut of 2 different size. One is bigger and one is smaller. Okay, let's see what I am going to do. In the box, some colors are there, 14 shades color is there, but for this I will be using rainbow color, so I will take out all the rainbow colors. So violet is there, first color is violet, so I will take violet color from this box. This is violet. And next color is dark blue color, that is Persian blue. In the box it comes in the name of Persian, then blue. So 3 colors of blue shade, then green, then yellow, and then next is orange, and last one is red. So these 7 colors I will be using to color this strip of paper. Okay, so before coloring, what we have to do, clear the things on the table so that the coloring could be done very smoothly. So we will remove all these colors, and water, only coloring part will be done here. So before coloring, what we will do, we will divide this strip into 7 lines. 6 lines we will draw, so that we can color with 7 colors like rainbow. So we will take with the help of a scale, we will draw lines, 6 lines we will draw to divide it into 7 equal parts. Okay, it will be little less than 1 centimeter, 1 inch, because it is only 5 inch long and we need 7 parts. So 7 parts it has been divided, and after dividing this we will make the line whole on all the paper. Okay, lengthwise. You can color both the side, but here I will showing only the one side I will color, and 2 papers I have taken. One paper will be white, but you can color both the papers. Here you can see what colors I am taking. First is violet I will color, then next is dark blue, next is light blue. Okay, next will be green color, G for green, Y for yellow, and O for orange, and last one is red. So according to this pattern I will color the paper lengthwise. Okay, so I have taken red color, and I will color starting from the red. So you can see the red color I am coloring. Okay, in this way we will color the red color. After that orange color is there, but let's see, I have taken orange color. Orange I will color, and yellow also will be needed after that. Okay, so orange will be colored first. It will be colored with orange, red, orange, then yellow, then green. Okay, red, yellow, orange, then green. So some mistake happened, I think. After red, orange color will be there, so I am coloring once again the orange color. Okay, first red from the beneath, red, then yellow, then orange, and after orange I will use green color. And this whole paper lengthwise it will be colored. I am just showing you to see what it will be the pattern. Now it will be colored with blue, green. After green it will be colored with blue color, and then I will be taking dark blue color. Okay, and this pattern will be followed like a rainbow. All these 7 colors are there in rainbow. Last color will be violet, and I will color all the line. Throughout the line I will color this pattern. Okay, and it will be colored fully, completely, and I will show you one colored strip how it will look. Okay, so see how it will like. Now I am removing the color so that I can show you after coloring all the colors how it will look. Okay, so you can see after coloring this pattern will come: red, yellow, red, orange, yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, and violet. Okay, and this will be the front part of our sachet. So next part what we are going to do, just watch it. Okay, so one part will be the back of the body, one part will be on the front part of the body. So next we will joint this part. One side I will joint. So for joining I am folding one side and applying Fevicol. Okay, so apply Fevicol and I will paste the colored part on top of the another white part. You can take both the part colored also. And for this pattern, if you have satin ribbon, you can paste different type of ribbons also to make it more beautiful. But as I told earlier, I am using only the colors to color it. Okay, so I will cut like a triangular shape at the lower part of this strip. You can see how I am cutting like A shape or opposite V. So down part also I will color, cut this in the same shape. Okay, here you can see what is the beauty of the color of rainbow color. What else we are going to do next step I am showing you. So we will keep this little at side so that we can take other things. So I have taken 2 circles cut with white. Now I will color this. Okay, one with blue color and another with yellow. So I have colored this with blue, and next with white color will be colored with yellow color. Okay, next what I am going to do, I will paste this blue part on the yellow sheet. Okay, so for pasting I will apply a little bit of Fevicol. So applying Fevicol, you can see with this it will be colored with blue color paper will be coming on top of the yellow color paper. So after this what I am going to do, I will fold it and give a little bit of curve like structure on the side of the yellow paper like petals. Let's see what I am doing. You can see I am cutting a little curve like a structure on the yellow paper so that it will look more beautiful. You can cut it easily, but all the cutting part take help of your papa and or any elder brother or sister at home, but don't take help of your mummy because you are making something surprise for your mummy. So you will not take help of your mummy. Try to avoid that take help of mummy so that it will become a surprise for mummy. Okay, we are making this to surprise your mummy. And now what I am going to open this. After opening, what I will do here, you can see next step. Okay, so next step what I am going to do, this thing is ready. I will paste this on the middle of this colored paper. Pasting will be done such that this yellow sheet comes near the chest level. Okay, when we wear this sachet like this here. Okay, this will be pasted, and after this I will show you next step what I am going to do. We will keep this aside, and here I will write world's best mom I will write here. So for writing part I will take one white paper. You can see I have taken one white paper. On that I will write world's best mom. First I will write draw with pencil, then I will color with sketch pen. So we have to write world's best mom. That means 3 lines should be there where I will write it. So I am dividing this paper in 3 equal parts. Okay, so here MOM, mom, world's WORLDS, world's, apostrophe s will come there. Then here best, but while pasting mom will come in the circle part of that blue circle. Now it will look something like that after writing, and I will color this. Okay, so this block letter you will take, or you can write in cursive also if you know cursive writing. For this part you can take little bit help of your papa also, because his writing will be very good. So take help of your papa. And I am writing, or you have a good writing, you can do it yourself also. If it will be done by you, it will be more better. So look how I am writing it. This style of writing is very easy. Okay, I have divided the paper into the number of letters what I want to write. Here what I am writing, WORLD. So look how I am writing. In that way I have taken the thick sketch pen or marker pen. Okay, for this work. Here I will write L. So here L is written. After L, D will come. So for writing D, like this, and fill in the middle part, it will become D, and then apostrophe S. For that I will leave a little bit of space, white space. Then I will write S. Now it becomes world's. Okay, world's is written. Then what is written, best. After this I will write best. So now you can see it is looking good. Now I will write best, BEST. Okay, it is enough. We will paste it here on this strip after cutting it outside. Okay, then what else I have to write? It is best and mom. So for best also again I will write, take help of this sketch pen only to write, making the outline and trying to write in the best way which I can. And you will, as I told you, take help of your papa, but not your mommy, because this is a gift for mommy. So it will be done only with the help of your papa or any elder brother or sister. And all the cutting parts never do yourself. Okay, you take help of your papa or mom or elder brother sister. Okay, because you can cut your hands, so no use of scissor by you. Okay, BEST, best, spelling of best is BEST. Okay, you can see how to write block letters with the help of sketch pen, BEST. So we will write this, and after writing we will cut it outside and then paste on that strip of paper. Here mom is written, I will write mom also, MOM, mom, and again I will cut it. Okay, MOM. Okay, so it is written. Now I, with the help of scissor and help of your papa, you cut it. I am cutting myself because I am your sir, but you don't cut it with yourself. You will take help of your papa. Okay, so best is ready. Now we will cut it, the world, written worlds. Okay, so it is okay. Now mom, this also I will cut and show you. So mom is already cut, so I will show you how and where to paste these things on that part. So world will be just 1 feet above the 1 feet or 8 inch above the circle, and best will come in the middle, and mom will come in middle of the circle. You can use more decorative items to decorate it. Okay, whatever I had at home I am doing, because we are not in school where everything is available. At home I also don't have so many decorative item, but now you can see world's best mom is written. So in mom I will color little bit with sketch pen here also, and first I will pasting. Okay, these things I am pasting with the help of Fevicol. I am applying Fevicol with the help of a brush, because I am not using the small bottle. I am taking the Fevicol from a big bottle, so I am using brush to apply it. Okay, here you can see it is pasted, and I will paste this paste also. So very carefully you have to paste so that it is not slant. It is looking like slant, but it is not slant, because one side video is taken from one side, so it is looking little bit slant, but actually it is not slant. Here words, then paste I have pasted. Then what I am going to do, mom, but here little bit of coloring with sketch pen I will do, so that it will look more better. Okay, so see how to color the outline part with the help of sketch pen. Here I am using red marker, or sketch pen also you can use. Okay, M is ready, and O, and after coloring this we will paste this mom written on the middle of this MOM. So you can easily write it. Only cutting part you take help of your elder, except your mummy, because you are making something surprise for your mummy. So you don't take help of your mummy. She can only see when you give her to wear it. Okay, and everybody will make it and gift it to your mummy on 9th, and take a photograph, beautiful photograph you take along with your mummy and yourself, and send it to your class teachers. Okay, so I will paste this also, MOM written here. I will applying Fevicol on all the three letters. So after applying Fevicol we will paste it. M, O will come in the middle. Okay, here also again M. So mom is also written. So you can see how beautiful it is looking on the background of rainbow color. So our some part of maximum part is ready. How you will make it wear your mummy, you can present like this, and you will staple at the down part of that. Okay, this will come in this way. Okay, it will look like this. So it will give a beautiful look to your mummy's appearance, and it will be a really great thing for your mummy on the Mother's Day. So I am taking some glitter paper, and you can take any other things also, like buttons you can take, shitara you can take, moti, small thermocol balls also you can take. I was having this glitter paper, so I am taken glitter paper, and I will try to decorate some things on pasting on this sachet. Okay, so take look what I am doing. I am cutting small pieces of this glitter paper. 3 sheets of glitter paper I have taken. Okay, so we will cut it carefully. Cutting will be done with the help of your papa or any elder brother or sister. Okay, so I am cutting in the shape of a square. You can measure also and cut, but I am roughly cutting, so the shape will come like this. Or you can cut it in the shape of a burfi. You have seen the burfi. It is not a square shape. Corners are two side corner, opposite corners are long. So like this you will apply Fevicol. With the help of Fevicol you will paste wherever you feel good, it will look nice, you can paste. So see how I am pasting, and you can do according to your vision, your design, whatever design you can make. What all things you can paste. Glitter sheet you can paste after cutting, buttons you can paste. Then if you have rose flower, small rose flower of paper, that also you can paste. Or thermocol balls, colorful balls are coming, that also you can paste. That means whatever you have at home, okay, that only you paste, it will look nice. because most beautiful thing what I have done here is the coloring of the sachet that I have colored with it rainbow color, and it is looking very good. So here I am pasting here also in the middle part one orange and one green. So now you see some more papers I will paste, glitter papers, to decorate it, and you can paste other things also, whatever you have at home, it will give a good look. Okay, I am pasting according to the things available to me, and here I have pasted one side I have pasted silver, other side also silver, one side green, then other side also green. Here I am pasting orange, then other side also again I will paste orange only. Okay, so whatever color glitter paper you are having, you might be having, because you are doing so many of work, so this type it will look. Okay, so I will paste some in the lower part also. Apply Fevicol with the help of brush, or if you are having tube you can apply directly from the tube. Look here what is happening, it is looking so good. So you can use thermocol balls also, it is good, give a good look to it. So now it is almost complete, and I will show you how to wear when you will present, how mommy will wear this. So once I have shown you, now it is almost ready, and I will show you how to wear it. Okay, look here. So it is almost ready, and in this way you might have seen the school captain or vice captain wears in the school. Okay, or the band party when the program is going on, your choir group wears this type of things. So this is a wonderful gift to your mommy on the world's Mother's Day. Okay, so it will be very useful for you to show your love towards your mommy. So now all will do it. Okay, and you can color both the side. Okay, I have colored only one side, but you can color both the side of the chart paper, and you can surprise your mommy by gifting this type of thing, sachet, to your mommy. And remember to take photograph after gifting it, and mommy wears it carefully, then you take a photograph, and you should be in school dress when you are taking your photograph with mommy. Okay, so thank you, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Thank you all of you. आशु, क्या पागल कर दिया हमको।